divide. I'm a jack of all trades. Honey, we'll be alright. I'll hammer nails, I'll set the stone, I'll harvest your bride when they're right and wrong. I'll pull that engine apart, catch her till she's running right. I'm a jack of all trades. Baby, we'll be alright. Hurricane blows and brings a hard rain. When the sky breaks, feels like the world's gonna change. We'll start caring for each other like Jesus said that we'd mind. I'm a jack of all trades. Baby, we'll be alright. Like a man grows fat, working man grows thin. That's all I've been before, and it'll happen again. It'll happen again. It'll bet you're alive. I'm a jack of all trades. Baby, we'll be alright. Sometimes tomorrow comes soaked in treasure and blood. We stood to drown, now we'll stand the flood. There's a new world coming, I can see the light. I'm a jack of all trades. Baby, we'll be alright. So use what you've got, and you learn to make do. You take me home, you make it new. If I had me gun, find the bastards and shoot them on sight. I'm a jack of all trades. We'll be alright. We'll be alright.